For more fascinating and exciting stories, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates.